I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe.
Crown baller, take one. Action. That's a wrap.
What's up, babes? We're back with another video / tutorial. Now, I just wanted to put in some clips of my Quickweave video. If you want to watch that, you're interested in watching, I will definitely link it in the cards. I put it in the description box so you guys can check it out. But that is not this, okay? Yes, honey, we're slayed, we're laid, and baby, we about to get paid. I don't know from who, but we are. Anywho, this is a video of how I actually deconstruct this sexy look, honey, because this next clip, this is about this is maybe like 2.5 weeks later, and as y'all can see, baby girl done been through it. All right, she's lifting. It's time for her to come off. So I want to show you guys a very safe way with keeping your edges intact, as well as all of your follicles on your head, to remove a quick weave and just still keeping the cap intact as well. So I'm starting off in the shower, and I'm literally just trying to get water along my cap. Now, mind you guys, this is a removal of the bold hold liquid gold and not the liquid cap that everyone is using. So this will be a lot easier, but in that sense, that's why I wanted to make this video, because I just want to show you guys how easy it was to remove this cap. Now, this was the sweat proof / waterproof method that I was like testing out, and literally baby's not waterproof, but she definitely did the job as far as like being sweat proof. So literally the takedown of my Quickweave was so easy. It was so simple. Y'all see I haven't used any products yet. I literally just put my head underwater, so it's kind of stuck at the top of my head because I have a closure that's kind of glued down. So I'm being a little bit more aggressive just because I have to get that closure off. So it was glued down on my head. It was almost being lifted, but then I had it sewn on too. So I had to make sure that I had my little razors or scissors. If you don't know what you're doing, baby, don't do this, okay? If you need help, make sure you get a person to help you or look in a mirror, because cutting your hair after a sew-in is not cute. But when I tell y'all the relief after I got baby off, and then the cap is still pretty much intact, all of the tracks, and if you want to reuse this hair, all you have to do is literally just pull them off the cap, and it's the most simple, easy, like, we're done. All right, so I did have a couple little follicles, I had a couple little pieces of glue on my hair, and then from the lace glue, I had it kind of on my hairline as well. So I just want to show you guys what those next steps are as well if you have the same problem. I'm using some Dove moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and I'm just putting the conditioner all along my hairline and along the back nape of my neck. So when you have those stubborn pieces of glue or whatever stuck to your hair, wherever it may be, you just put a little bit of conditioner on them and just kind of let it sit for a bit, and then work it through the glue, and it comes off, slides down the string of your hair like so easily. So I just showed you guys literally those pieces I took off, and then I just rinse my hair. After I rinse or get all those glue pieces out of my hair, if you have any places you just want to, well, for me, I just went in with the shampoo and just kind of rinse my hair. I didn't know how long I was going to keep these braids in or whatever the case is, but I just wanted to wash the braids before I took them out, and you know, just give them a nice little lather. My head was itching, so honey, when I tell you this was the moment of relief, I had to just sit there for a second. So once I went ahead and rinsed everything out, I think I shampooed my hair twice, but once I rinsed everything out, like, baby is clean, we're fresh, we're back to the scalp. No edges were snatched in the making of this video, so everything came out exactly how I knew and thought it would. So that's just me showing you guys my head and just showing you all, like, no glue residue or anything is in there. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any comments, questions, or concerns, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.